Welcome to our new video. Here, we will show you how to use the anomaly detection in data touch. Anomaly detection identifies patterns or situations within the data set that deviate from the norm. It aims to detect unusual behavior, outliers, or potential threats that may indicate bugs, security breaches, or performance issues. Anomaly Dashboard provides an overview of detected anomalies. It includes total anomaly numbers, daily, weekly, monthly anomaly detection graphs, and a detailed anomaly list. Total anomaly numbers shows the total anomaly numbers for the scenarios. Daily, weekly, monthly anomaly detection shows the number of anomalies detected on a date-based basis. The date axis can be arranged as weekly and monthly. Detected anomalies list shows detected anomalies with their scenario, detected date, information, and accuracy rate details. Actions. Denied is used to deny the detected anomaly. Decision is used in cases where the detected anomaly cannot be denied or approved. Approved is used to approve the detected anomaly. Scenario list contains the scenarios with their details. Column value shows the column and value of the detected anomaly. Statistics shows the accuracy rate value and impressive parameters of the detected anomaly. Full information shows all information about the detected anomaly. Scenario list contains the scenarios with their details. New is used to create a new scenario. A new scenario is created by filling in the required fields, and click Save. Delete is used to delete the scenario. Edit is used to edit the scenario. History is used to display history details of the scenario. Stop, it is used to stop the training. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring your data with the Data Touch.